Okay, so let me give you a little bit of the input that I gave to the class, the group A today. So down here is what I was talking about. This is the encyclopedia resource that just gives some more information on metaethics. This is the video that I want you to watch, take notes on. It's a very good introduction. I'm going to show you how anyone can quickly and easily create doodle videos. And yeah, you should skip the ads and whatever. All right. And then here is the homework that is due. And so it gives you 5 things to do. And I have taken a paragraph. Oops, I'm sorry. Well, this is the same. I've taken a paragraph out of the text, and I want you to do a number of things with it. And one of the things I want to point out is students often in this course miss 2 very key words when they're reading philosophy, the philosophy that's in here. And they miss the key word if and then. So when a sentence has if then in it, it's basically setting up a conditionality that under this condition, then this happens. So, but if that condition isn't there, then we don't know whether it happens. Okay, so that's very critical that you pay attention to that. So this first sentence, for example, if we reject the possibility of objective morality, then we must say that our own basic commitments are never wrong. Okay. Now, whether you might wonder what objective morality is, what are our basic commitments, I get that, but let's just look at what is here, even if we don't fully understand all the terms. If we reject the possibility of a moral objective morality, so that's setting up a condition. Under the condition that we reject the possibility of objective morality, what follows? Then we must say that our own basic commitments are never wrong. So that is if, so that must be there, then something happens. That's different than if I just say, I'll drop those 2 words. We reject the possibility of objective morality, and we must say that our basic commitments are never wrong. Those are not the same. That what I just said is not the same as what is written here, if we reject. So pay very close attention to if then sentences, because it's setting up under what conditions, what is the condition under which a conclusion follows. Okay, notice here too that it has this parenthetical comment, and there are lots of parenthetical comments. In other words, things in parentheses give more elaboration, give more information. So it's unless, of course, they are always wrong, as the error theorist maintains. So that's saying that's like an exception to what we say if then. So an exception to the then, we must say that our own basic commitments are never wrong, is when unless they are always wrong, as the error theorist maintains. So there's something about something different in terms of error theory that would say it's always wrong. So just pay attention to that very carefully. So your task is to read through that, identify any words you're not familiar with, look up those definitions, write them down, the words and their definitions. You're going to identify 1 to 2 sentences or ideas that are most confusing to you. Write them out and tell me why you are confused. Not just that you are, but why. Number 3 is rewrite the entire paragraph in your own words. You're paraphrasing it, but you're supposed to capture every bit of the meaning of the paragraph. And then you're going to rate how confident you are that you understand the paragraph, how confident you are that what you have written sufficiently and accurately relays the content of the original paragraph. Okay, so that is due. That is due on the 26th, which is Wednesday. Okay, I believe that should be sufficient, and I will typically have you on Wednesdays, but this week we are moving our daughter into college, so that's why this week is different. Next week will be on regular schedule.